you all, welcome back to my channel. My name is India. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I appreciate you. Y'all already clicked on the video, so you are interested in this hairstyle. Y'all can see I've already prepped my hair, and I want to run through what I did before I got to this stage. So the first thing is I did shampoo with this Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Shine Therapy Shampoo. Y'all, I must say I really did enjoy this shampoo. It smells really good. It was very moisturizing, and it just made my hair get back soft because my hair was kind of dry. So this shampoo I really did enjoy. If you've been watching my What's in My Natural Hair product declutter videos, then you would have seen me talk about this, and I am going to start including those products in these styling videos. So if you want to see me use those products, definitely pay attention and start watching these styling videos, because on all the products that I said I was going to move to the front and try out, I'm going to be using them, like I said, in these styling videos. So this was one, and I absolutely loved it. Also, if there's a product that you've seen in one of those videos that you want to see me use specifically, definitely leave me a comment and call it out for me so I can try to work it into the routine, all right? And then y'all know I have to deep condition, so I actually used two deep conditioners. I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafira Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And then I also used the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Length Retention Deep Conditioner. Now the reason why I used both of these, and all I did was take a little bit of each and rub it in my hand and put it on my hair, is because I actually don't have enough of this to use. Y'all see it's almost gone. Your girl gotta get another one, and I will be purchasing another one. But I don't have enough of this, so I just had to mix these two together so I can do my deep condition, and I'll probably do it again because y'all, this combination, yeah, definitely. If you have these two products, try mixing these two deep conditioners together, because my hair is super soft and super moisturized, and you are about to get ready to see it right now. So for today's video, I'm gonna do something different, y'all. I'm gonna try a different style that I haven't done necessarily, and I usually do like a wash and go or something like that. Y'all look at this. This is my hair straight after deep conditioning. This is exactly what I was talking about. Like, those two deep conditioners together really got my hair back on track. Like, that looks so good, and it feels so good, y'all. It feels so good. Now, I'm gonna do something a little bit different, y'all. I'm gonna just style my hair in a different way because it's gonna be blow dried in the back, and then I want to do like a twist in the front. So I don't have a real name for this hairstyle, so y'all just gonna have to work with me and roll with me, all right? I will be using this Afro Sheen Throw Out Blowout spray as my heat protectant when I get ready to blow dry my hair. So again, this is another one of those products that I talked about in my natural hair stash declutter videos, and if you haven't seen those, I would definitely link the card so you can check out the playlist. And I'm going to be using a little bit of wet line. Y'all know I'm gonna use a bit of leave-in conditioner at the top of my hair because I'm gonna blow dry the back, and y'all know I don't put any extra products beside the heat protectant on my hair when I blow dry. And so I'm going to be using a little bit of this leave-in conditioner on the front of my hair. And this is the Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Shine Therapy Leave-In Conditioner, and it is in the spray form, and that's why I wanted to use it, because it's gonna be a little bit lightweight because I don't really need anything heavy, y'all, because my hair feels so good after that deep condition. I don't really need anything. So I'm gonna stop talking and get to styling this hair. we got our two braids. We have the one going this way, and then we have the one going this way. And y'all, I tried to get my part, you know, kind of straight. It's all right. It is what it is. It's not perfect, but it's going to look good in the end. Watch what I tell you. So we're gonna leave these down. And now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna section my hair off, and I'm actually going to blow dry the back. So I'm going to use my Afro Sheen Blowout spray, and I'm about to actually blow dry the back of my hair. All my hair is blow dried, right? So I am going to take my hair and I'm gonna put it up like this. And then I'm gonna take these two and connect them in the back so they are not showing. So we're gonna let this down, and now I'm going to flat iron. But I am not looking for a bone straight. I still want it to have very much so like that kinky, straight kind of texture. So I still want it to be close to my blowout, but I just want it to be more tamed, if that makes sense. And I kind of want to do a flip up, y'all. I don't know why, but I've been itching to do like a flip up style. And so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take my comb, and the braid is coming loose. So okay, I'm gonna have to bobby pin it, but I'm gonna bobby pin it after I finish with the flat iron, because it's just gonna keep coming loose anyway once I keep messing with it. So if you've watched my flat iron video, then you know that I like to use very small parts when I flat iron. But for this particular style, because I don't want it to be like super flat, I'm going to use bigger sections. And so I'm gonna start off with a section probably about this big. And y'all, I'm only doing one pass. And I'm using my Babyliss Pro flat iron. I'm gonna do one pass, and then I'm gonna flip my hair up. So one pass, and we're gonna flip up. Ooh, it's gonna be cute. Let's keep going. finish. Now we got to pull this all the way together because this that I tied in the back came a loose, so it did come a loose. But I knew it was gonna come a loose, so that's why we're gonna use the bobby pins to pin it up. So I'm gonna take my hair, and you see why that last part it wasn't gonna matter because you wasn't gonna see it anyway. So y'all, this is a real quick, cute, easy hairstyle. I am loving it, and I hope I don't mess the curls up by doing this real quick, but I gotta get it. So I'm going to tie it back up in the back like I did last time, except this time I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin. And let me get the bobby pin and I'll show y'all. So I have it here, and I'm just gonna secure it onto the back of my hair like that so it doesn't move. Then I'm gonna bring my hair back down, and voila, we back. Y'all, this looks so good. Now, one thing I forgot to do, I forgot to put my strength hair oil on my scalp, and we don't want to miss that. So I'm about to go ahead and put some oil on my scalp, because y'all know that I have dry scalp, and if I don't put no oil, then I'm gonna have to wash this out, and I'm gonna be mad because my scalp gonna be itchy and all the things. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm loving this. But y'all, this is the finished hair. I love the way that it came out. Y'all let me know if y'all like this style, if y'all would try this style. And then you could do a lot of things. So like if I want to, I could pull this up in a ponytail like this and still have the braids. I could do half up, half down. I could pull it up just here and have this down. Like, it's so many things that I can do, and I didn't necessarily like all the way flat iron my hair. So it's very much still very textured, very healthy, and it's not bone straight, because I'm really not a fan of just the bone straight hair. And this is gonna be good because it's still cold out here, and y'all see I keep flipping it around and stuff because I love it. So if y'all like this hairstyle, if you like this natural hairstyle in inspo, definitely let me know. All right, y'all, so this completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and y'all, I will be continuing to use those products that I showed you guys in my What's in My Natural Hair declutter stash. And I hope you guys enjoyed the styles that I come up with. Again, if there's a product that you want me to use that you're interested to see in action, definitely let me know. And I will see y'all in the next video.